Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transfer money from Skrill to Wise. Now, usually, not a lot of people know this, but you can actually transfer money from Skrill to Wise, even though Wise is not actually supported and Skrill won't support Wise and vice versa, right? So what you can do is first create a Euro account, right? Once you create a Euro account, go to your right here where it should say something like your account details, and then go here and copy all of these details. Go to your Skrill account, go to withdraw, and I don't have any funds right now on Skrill, so you can go to withdraw and put your withdrawal address to be this address right here, right? You can put that, right? And that way you can withdraw your money from Skrill to Wise, right? You can transfer your money from Skrill to Wise. Now, let's say you want to deposit some money to Skrill. You can do that as well. You can just go to your cards. You can get a virtual card and put that virtual card right here, deposit now on this credit or debit card. But if you want to really just transfer money from Skrill to Wise, then on Skrill, go to transfer, and basically here you will need to basically go international money transfer, and then you will be able to basically put your withdraw your account balance, right? And you can basically put another bank account, delivered to bank account, paid with debit card. You can click continue, for example, send to business, right? And then here you can put everything, right? From your home, and then Euro account, and then here you can just copy all of these things, put it right here. Now make sure it's in euros, right? This is Indian rupees, so make sure it's in euros, and that's it, right? That's basically how to do it. Very simple, very easy, guys. It's a workaround definitely, but it works. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.